NAEC Flexible Intelligent Pipe Spool Fabrication Solution, empowering industrial projects through digitally driven prefabrication. NAEC's Flexible Intelligent Pipe Spool Fabrication Solution is designed to transform traditional pipe spool production through digitally driven manufacturing and meet the growing demand for higher productivity, quality, and traceability in industrial construction. Centered on a 2-to-24 pipe spool production line, it utilizes a fully integrated digital platform to connect business processes with production execution, enabling the seamless integration and dynamic closed-loop management of information flow and material flow. By integrating APS, MES, LES, and WMS, the solution establishes a smart factory framework that combines intelligent production, smart logistics, and digital management. The nesting software developed by NAEC enables drawing analysis, production planning, automatic nesting, and worksheet release. The Lean Pipe Spool Fabrication Management System can split drawings and accurately calculate workloads based on project data. Pipes are decomposed into spool sections and fittings, each with a unique material identification number. Based on the production capacity of the execution system, the platform automatically generates production plans and material plans. It also calculates labor hours and material demand for each spool, compares them with raw material inventory, and automatically generates procurement lists for material preparation. The system performs automatic nesting according to the production schedule, maximizing raw material utilization and reducing cost. The system continuously optimizes production plans and material plans according to production capacity, ensuring balanced operation of the entire prefabrication system. After raw materials are prepared in the warehouse, pipe fittings are placed on pallets. Prepared pipe raw materials are delivered to designated cutting stations, while pipe fitting raw materials are sent to designated grinding stations. The factory combines robotic automation, digitally driven production scheduling, and integrated manufacturing systems to support flexible fabrication of highly customized pipe spools. Cutting, fit-up, welding, logistics, and inspection processes are fully integrated under centralized digital control. From order release to final delivery, is digitally managed and coordinated. Production tasks are automatically distributed to each process and workstation. Workflow scheduling, material allocation, and equipment assignments are optimized by the system in advance. Digital modeling and vision technologies enable digitally driven precision manufacturing. Each spool is assigned a unique digital ID. From this point forward, every process remains fully traceable. Materials are automatically prepared and delivered to workstations through AGV logistics and intelligent handling systems. Digital QA or QC systems and end-to-end data integration enables full lifecycle traceability throughout the fabrication process. Every fabrication step is automatically monitored and verified. Process deviations are identified in real time before moving to the next stage. Every production activity is digitally recorded by the system. Millions of production data points are automatically collected and linked to digital processing records. All production data is automatically collected and digitally archived in real time, minimizing manual recording dependencies. from raw material batches to welding parameters and inspection records. Every fabrication detail is fully traceable. After project completion, the following targets can be achieved. First pass weld acceptance rate, 99.5, project prefabrication cost, 0.085 to 0.095 man-hour per dia inch, consumable cost for cutting, beveling, and grinding, 0.06 to 0.07 US dollar per dia inch.